Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call. Today Monday the 7th of August. Alright, taking a look at the data that came out on Friday. Of course we had non-farm payroll job numbers and the data was mixed. We had the average hourly earnings a little bit better than forecasted at 0.4%. The actual job change came in at 187,000, which was lower than the forecasted of 250. However, the unemployment rate also dropped at 3.5% compared to the 3.6%. So the data was mixed. There was some good and there was some bad in there. I did say on Friday that if you were new to the markets that I would suggest you perhaps have a look and see how the market goes. So let me just quickly jump into a chart right now just so that I can show you. I'm looking at the Euro USD here and I'm on a daily time scale now. Of course let me just draw it out. This is the candle, Friday's candle here. All right, let me just zoom in to say a 15-minute chart so we can see the action, and instantly you can see this section here. Okay, so in the lead up, as the news basically was coming out, so this candle here where I've got the crosshairs right now is around about 50 pips. So in that instantly when it came out, it moved around about 50 pips, and in essentially the half an hour period it's jumped around about 85 pips for that news release. So it can be quite volatile, and that's against the Euro USD. So next time it happens once a month, it's an opportunity to have a bit of a look and really see how the market does become volatile in that period. All right, the other bit of data that happened on Friday was from Canada, where we also saw the unemployment number and the employment change. That came in at minus 6.4 thousand jobs, and unemployment at 5.5 remained the same. So that's pretty much all that's happened on Friday. So let's move along and have a look at the chart of the day. Now the chart of the day this morning it's the Euro New Zealand. Let me just pull it up because I've just changed charts. There it is. Now if you recall, I think it was on Friday or one day last week, I showed you this particular chart and I said it was a converging triangle. Okay, it's compressing in, and where the market was at this particular point when I highlighted to you, and I said let's look for any sign of reversal because it probably can come back up. Now that's exactly what it did. It's jumped up around about 310 pips. So if anybody took that, you know, that's fine. If you didn't, not a drama. We're just looking, we're observing. What's happened now is I've got the opportunity to go back in the other direction. Okay, so I'm looking for a reversal sign there to see if I can possibly come back down. Let me just extend a couple of lines here. So if I was to extend that out, I just want to measure how much distance I have from there to about here. There's still about 200 odd, 220, even 240 pips. So there's enough space for the possibility. Let me zoom in, you can see it a bit better. So there's enough space for the possibility of a trade back down before we hit this line and come across any kind of resistance. Eventually what's going to happen is it'll start to compress, which it's already compressing quite a lot, and it may just break through in this direction, or it may break through in that direction. Don't forget it, this could be the break right now. So I really do need to see a sign that the market is reversing here. Otherwise this could just continue shooting up, and then that's okay because it would be just no trade at all. All right, so there you have it. That is our chart of the day. It is the Euro Kiwi on a daily time scale. All right, the session is about to kick off Monday morning. We actually have no data for today, so it's a quiet start to the week. So that means that pretty much wraps up for us this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you on tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now.